You guys have seen me travel so many times on this channel, so here's like a short recap from Bangkok to Manila. Gamble. Yeah, that's what me and Jared gonna do tonight.
Oh yeah. Yo, bro, we're here.
Cheers.
Yes, sir.
Well, a little update from the last time I took a video. It was 3:27. Now it is 6:32. Jared's going up to his room to go get ready, change his SIM card, and do whatever he needs to do. I'm gonna go brush my teeth.
Ay, I don't know that part.
Wow.
Terminal 3, is that it?
If you can't tell from just me and Jared.
Dead.
Yeah. Everybody else got some sleep. We
Yeah,
didn't.
waiting for you for like till 1 o'clock.
Bruh, our flight got delayed. Ay, pwede sa kakot. Ay, mamiss ko din. Para sa tede. Ay, ano. Hindi Manila. Para sa tede. Ah, hindi ka pa nang tayo.
Alright, we're at the hotel. Psych. Made another stop. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to freaking shower.
Hell yeah. 2 showers.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting 97 degrees out of Manila. So it's a little bit hotter than I thought. So a shower makes sense. Feels nice to finally get to shower. Now I'm gonna head over to Jared's room. Maybe gamble, maybe.
Bro.
Tried everything except for that. It's freaking incredible. Beer.
You think you're sorry?
I didn't even make one yet. Let me grab one. Beer.
Beer.
What'd you buy?
I feel rich here.
Hey. Oh, you're from here?
Wood.
No, it's yes.
Yes po.
So you got your mom, your cousin, you,
My dad.
Exon's at. Where is he? All the way back there?
Carla.
He's with his dad's side.
Oh. So it was nice seeing Joanna and fam for a little bit. Well, they've been here since like I got up to the room, so that's like about 3 o'clock. Then they have to find parking, and then they. So I guess we're gonna do the exact same thing, but I'm definitely gonna go meet up with Jared afterwards. I'm gonna gamble again. I got it on the wall. Here you go. Cheers.
Here you go.